Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to change birthday in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to change birthday in your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, as I have already opened it. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen just beside the Terabox's name. And when this panel appears on Terabox, guys, at the top of the screen you can see your name available for us. Tap on your name on the top of this panel and you land over here where you can see the birthday option available for us, which is the third one. So tap on the birthday or the third option over here, and in order to change your birthday in Terabox, guys, make sure to make the edits to the date which you were born. So let's do that. And after changing your date or changing it to your precise date, tap on the already over 18 years old and entering as an adult at the bottom of the screen. By doing that, guys, your birthday on Terabox app will be changed. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change birthday in Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.